Happy Friendsgiving! Cheers!
South Coast Plaza, our favorite place. Oh, we will see the Christmas tree, baby. Look at you. Ooh, cutie. Ta-da. Oh, it's really Christmas now. Christmassy. I love it. In this video, we're going to celebrate Friendsgiving with Madame MMStyleIcon. And of course, yours truly, Carlo&Seb. Let's check this out and let's have some fun. They have Victoria's Secret. They have Tudor. Zara. Oh, Rolex is on the other side. I want to see the she's there. I see her. Where? Oh. Hi. Look at you with your new brown bag.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Ta-da. Let's check out the Louis Vuitton store. This is the brand new floor handbag. And then this is made from Mahina capskin leather. Look at the perforation on this one. Port Lounge. Madame is bringing us here today. Let's access the access.
Access VIP lounge.
Oh wow. Go. Oh wow. That's so pretty. Hi. Where's the lady? Hi.
Hello.
She's special. That's why.
No, I
It's
got
up to the retailers, so
okay.
we don't give them out. It's our retailers here in South Coast Plaza. It's up to the procedures how they give them out. But a lot of our guests gets them from the retailers.
Oh, okay, okay.
So this is our first room. This is our largest room.
Oh. You want the largest room?
This is our smallest, where you can have a private conversation with your guests.
Oh,
Oh, like one-on-one.
I know.
And then straight down this way is our operational hours for our stylists. So we have a stylist program where you can contact our main stylist on our South Coast Plaza website, and she'll pair you up with a
Oh,
perfect
wow.
stylist that matches you.
Ah, okay.
I love
And this
the
is our
Christmas-
conference room where the retailers use, or our management as well.
What is this room?
It's the same room as the stylist, but at the moment we have packaging in there.
Oh.
We also carry personal like packages.
Mm.
You're just too tired of carrying them around.
Oh.
And then straight down this way, we do have two rooms. We have a room right here on the right hand side. We have a restroom right here on the right.
Oh.
What is this room?
Or just a room.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh
It's
yeah.
a tour. Thank you.
Yeah, that was so nice.
And then to the end right here is our nursing room,
Nursing room.
Oh.
It's nursing
which we
room.
provide complimentary diapers and wipes.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's so
I
cool.
love
Oh, the Christmas tree. Yeah. Oh, wow.
well coordinated. The colors. So pretty.
Nice.
Nice.
Probably the first one, no?
Yeah.
Speaker. It's just us.
So wherever you like to sit, I'll drop off some menus.
Okay, okay. Thank you. You want to go here?
Yeah.
Ta-da! Ta-da! It's, thank you. Here's the menu that they have. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Yay! Access suite.
Taking a picture.
Picture or video? You need to
Video.
Oh.
Ta-da! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Thank you, madam, for this access.
You're welcome. VIP lounge.
Yes, of course.
Please. Oh.
Fancy the boobies.
This
Oh,
Santa
we're gonna,
Claus.
yes.
He's mad.
Ta-da!
She's mad.
Yay! The boobies. So today, we're gonna dress up her Labubu.
Okay, wait.
So this one has Chanel, that one has a rock punk style, and then that one is naked.
We're gonna dress it up.
Ooh, what do you
My
have?
Labubu. Thank you, Carlo and Seb, for the dress. For my
Chanel.
Labubu. With matching Chanel
Yes.
bag.
Let's
Okay, we have this. Is this a scarf or what? What is
A
this?
coat.
A coat?
Yes.
Look at this.
A Chanel coat with pearl.
So beautiful. And then we have these Chanel.
We're gonna be best friends.
So cute. Cute. Look at that.
Oh.
It even has the Mona Lisa pocket on
Mhm.
the back. So pretty.
She knows. She knows her Chanel.
I can't take this off because it's secured with a cable thingy. So how do you do this?
I think there's a
It's a
Yeah,
Velcro.
yeah.
Okay, are you ready, my Labubu? Okay, how do you do that? Here? It's a coat. Okay.
Oh, so cute. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, why is the tag on the side?
I don't know. This is the Mac.
Ah, so cute. Let's
Here
put the
is the...
I put it on the
wait.
from the legs.
Oh, from the legs.
It's not gonna
yeah.
fit from the head.
Okay. Let's see. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh.
That's so cute.
I don't wanna break the chain.
Okay.
Is everything okay here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, you want?
Think we're good
Yeah.
for now.
Yeah.
Is that Julie?
No,
Oh, that's the.
Okay.
Oh, she
Thank
left.
you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, probably later water.
Oh yeah. Forgot the water. Oh my god. Is that good? Yeah.
So pretty now.
Yeah. I love that. Oh,
There's
okay.
the best
Now
friends.
I see how you
Oh
do
wow.
it. Okay. Ay. Oh,
There you
it's a
go.
struggle.
Ah.
Oh, so cute. There. Aww. I
So
love
pretty.
it. Thank you. Thank you.
Now they're
guys.
matching.
Yeah.
Sparkles. There's the best friends. There's Hehe, Dada, and
Soy milk.
Soy Milk. They're best friends with the same bag, Chanel
Chanel
bag.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I'll cover it like this.
Cheers.
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 We're gonna drink.
So that he wasn't thirsty.
Let's do this again.
Yeah, oh my
No,
god.
I mean let's cheers again. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Mercenary.
This way is funny with access.
It was a relaxing weekend.
I thought you said you love. Oh, you said you love VIP lounge.
Yeah, we do. Happy Friendsgiving!
Cheers! Can we do it again? 1, 2, 3.
Happy Friendsgiving!
Oh yeah, hold on.
Friendsgiving.
Thanks, after time.
1, 2, 3.
Happy Friendsgiving!
Cheers! That's our intro.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, that's perfect for this week.
Oh my god, I have so many
I
videos.
know. I can even edit the ones from last time. So this is after 2 champagne. Hi, baby. Asian Glow. Do you get this one too? Dinner. Yes. We already have the appetizer. Happy Friendsgiving!
Friendsgiving, not Friendsversary. It's Friendsgiving.
Yay, we're here at Claim Jumper. Yeah.
Hot mushroom, baked potato. Baked beans.
Both are baked beans. What's the...
This one has baked potato. This one is mashed potato.
Oh, I think baked. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else for you
Yeah.
guys?
That would be all
this
for...
one?
Huh?
Does it come with the beef? I
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
messed up my order. I'm drunk.
Happy Friendsgiving!
Thank you.
Yeah. Ta-da! Time to go home. Ooh, Olani. Wow. Oh, there's a Starbucks.
Some goodies.
Thank you.
Welcome.
The state of Hawaii. Thank you, Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
This is what Madame gave us. Hawaii Aloha State. Happy Friendsversary, Carlo&Seb. Cheers to plenty more years of luxury Hermes, Labubu, fun, adventures, vlogs, and laughter. Always Marge. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. And then we got macadamia nuts. Chocolate covered macadamia nuts. And then this one is chocolate covered macadamia nut toffee. And then we got, let's see what it is. What is this? Ooh. It's an ornament. Oh, that's so sweet. We can use this one for the Christmas tree.
So nice.
Aw, thank you. We'll put this one there. Yay! Thank you, Madame. And then on this one, we have ube crinkle cookies. Oh my gosh. This is a lot. And oh, garlic chips. Oh wow. Oh, she gave us more. Ooh, Starbucks mug. Wow. Huh? Madam, you're so sweet. This one is Hawaii. Yay. And then there's another one. Oh my gosh. Waikiki. Madam. Oh wow. You went all out. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. There you go. Unboxing from Hawaii. What are you gonna say?
I guess. Thank you. No, thank you so much. And you did really more than the expectations as a friend. So thank you so much.
Thank you. We're gonna enjoy this one and we're gonna put this one up already. Nice. Ulani.
I love it because they are matte. You see?
Yeah.
At least we don't need to go to Hawaii.
Thank you. Thanks so much. Additional one. Yay. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo.
Seb and
Madam.
We'll see you again, and we hope that you had fun with this Friendsgiving that we have. Because you keep on saying Friendsgiving and Friends Anniversary.
Friendsversary. But it's Happy Friendsgiving.
Giving, yes. And then to you all, Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
We hope that you spend down with the family. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Madam.
And Carlo and Seb,
Seb.
we'll see you again. Bye.